Today is going to be the first tune drive, or yeah, tune drive. I'm not going to drive too fast. I'm not interested in beat it. I have the octane booster. I just put in the fuel tank. I had 87 octane right there, and this here bumps up 7 numbers, so 94, not bad. It's not gonna get as hot. And I also plug all the intercooler. I'm putting into the radiator. I just plug all the intercooler stuff, which is gonna make the turbo work. I don't know which spring I have there, but it's more than 7, so probably it's a 14. I can't beat on it again. And let's go for a little drive. We never saw side by side the two built engines. Gotta get a little closer. Look at that. Such a beautiful view. Okay, so it's warming up and it's 14 AFR. So we never done this way before, which is great. 103%, which probably has some correction. I don't know why. Could be battery voltage. No, it's not. It could be still temperature, a little bit of temperature. So you're going to configure, go around, drive around, see what's up, and just dag, I don't know what to say. This is what I researched we need to do to break in the engine. You go drive in different RPM all the way to 4,000, and then you gotta drop a gear, or nothing crazy, but just let it go like this. So let the car brake with the engine. It's gonna help the rings to sit. See, you gotta do this a few times, but not like crazy. So the idea is to drive 100 miles normal. I'm going to 3,000 RPM, always third gear, and I'm letting it brake on its own, like just let the foot out, and getting some logs. Of course, I don't know how good those logs will be because of this third gear, going and let it go, going and let it go, but I'm getting it. And let's check it out. Let's see what we can do there, if we can fix some fuel or something that's running lean. Alright, so I'm gonna show you some videos now on my Insta360. Hope you enjoy. Later. And